Have you ever been on the road and your bike or your car broke down? You are stuck, stressed, calling people around to fix your bike or your car. Likewise, have you ever had some health issue which totally knocked you down? You had to pause and put in lot of effort to recover. In both these instances, did this happen all of a sudden? Let's pause and also be honest. We did get signals, right? But we ignored it. The bike or the car did make some unusual sounds. It did had sometimes starting trouble, but we ignored till that day where the bike or the car stopped all of a sudden on the middle of the road. Likewise, we did have small aches, little pain here and there, and constant tiredness, but we ignored till the date when the body said, enough. In both these cases, we did have signals, but we ignored and had to stop abruptly. Instead, what if we looked at these signals and took corrective actions on time? And this is called as predictive maintenance in risk management. So, when you're going to look at these signals and take actions and do the corrective action, not too early or too late, obviously, till there is an abrupt stop. This is the best way to eliminate a big problem from your life or your project or in your organizations. Predictive maintenance is a risk management strategy which can be applied not only for missions but for organizations, projects, and even for your personal life. So, what are the 4 steps in the predictive maintenance? Step 1, monitor for signals through sensors, through observation, or through data. Step 2, observe or look out for trends. Step 3, predict potential failures. Step 4, trigger maintenance before it becomes too late. So these are the 4 simple steps as part of predictive maintenance which you can take before it's too late. Risks doesn't happen all of a sudden. It gives us signal. The only question is, are we listening to these signals? I hope this was a good learning with respect to risk management, both for your project, your professional life, and also in your personal life. If you like this video, like and subscribe to our channel for more learnings. Thank you.